Welcome to SMF Street, stockmarketfunding.com, the #1 live video trading website, folks. And I said live. And every entry that we do during the week, you can sit in on a 5 free day trial. As a matter of fact, all you have to do is go and click on the 5-day free trial. If you're just a casual investor and or people that have money in portfolios, doesn't matter who you are, you can come, you can watch what we do live, you can communicate with me, you can communicate with the traders while they're trading, you can watch our direct access trading platform that we developed over 20 years. It's up, it's running, there's lots of things that you can watch, lots of things that we do. And what we do is we manage risk in markets with using diversified instruments through ETFs, through various different options trading, through lots of things. But what we're going to talk about now is the iShares MSCI German fund ETF. And what we're doing is we're looking around the world. Once again, you know, this is just a little history of where the breakout was on a monthly chart. Just like back in 2003 when the Iraq war started, it followed right along with the U.S. Monkey see, monkey do. One of the things I'd like to say is I don't think that people are going to follow, other countries want to follow the U.S. When the markets failed in the financial crisis, straight down it's gone. It's come back up. It's been trying to put in a 2010 bottom to make a move higher. We'll be taking a look at what France does. You know what some of the history is. These trend lines up here, these are simply trend lines, and I will blow up this particular part of the chart. So in 2008 it went down. There's the 2009 breakout. So now that we know that, let's blow up the 2010 1, 2. This is the multi-month consolidation at $18.67 right here. The thing that the monthly chart is bullish is that this bar, monthly bar for August, now whether it sells off in September or not, we'll know by price and volume. But we're looking for the half previous monthly bar, that's this one right here. And what we're going to look for, just like we tell every SMF Street trader, is that we got to maintain a closing price above half of that bar. And I'll just draw a horizontal trend line for you. There it is. And we have to maintain a closing price above there. And it would be nice to see that if it's going to be a bull setup, is we're going to take out and we're going to get above this diagonal trend line over here at $21.40. So basically this is where that 3-month pullback occurred. However, laterally working back to the right of the ascending part is that September and or consolidation above the 10-month moving average. The 100-month moving average is at the price of $20.44. We'll be watching what France does. Once again, that's the monthly chart. The weekly chart, as you can see, it's been putting in a nice weekly base. This is where in 2009 it made the burn on the weekly chart. But more importantly is, let's take a look at 2010. One of the things about it is it's trying to set up a weekly buy signal. The bearish part of this is that we are below the 10-week and the 20-week moving average. And we have to be above that blue line, and it has to be flat, and it has to be ascending. So that's the bearish part of this particular German. Now, Germany has done well. They just had the best GDP in 20 years. So we're going to watch where we pull back and get support levels and what Germany is about and what the Germans do on their trend lines here. So it's very important for people to understand this support level right in here holds, right where this breakout occurred. This bottom right here, where this support line is, it goes over here. That's where we gapped up. This is where we failed. This is where it failed here. But let me tell you something. This is where the breakout, 4-week breakout occurred. We're testing that. So if we can't hold this price action here, we also have resistance right there at 2094 on the way up, because that's happened the down bar of the SMF Street weekly price action bar, the way that our mathematical system works, and it works 100%. Come and join. Once again, if you want to find out, just come over here and click that free 5-day trial sign up. International traders are welcome to start at SMF Street. Once again, hit the sign up button for the international people, and put your name and email and hit sign up. You qualify to be an SMF Street trader, and you're worthy of it. And you can make money here. So let's make sure that the weekly chart holds a price action. If it fails, we can end up going short. So basically, 4-week breakout to the price action with the negative volume test, and I'm below the 10 and 20, it's more bearish than bullish. What will make it bullish is when the buyers step in and you don't break below that trend line. If we break below the trend line, it's going to be a short sell automatically, because that means that that's the support down here. Okay, so basically, if you break this trend line, that's going to be the negative part, and that would become new resistance. Okay, so basically we could break right down in here where we stop. Who knows? Maybe it's right there at $19. That's the bottom of that last negative breakout bar. The bullish part was that the new week starts off green and we get above the closing price of that bar. Thank you.